Hi, so today we're talking about the Xamarin.Forms Quickstarts tutorial on Microsoft. So there are 4 steps to this tutorial. We have create a single page Xamarin.Forms application, perform navigation in a multi-page Xamarin.Forms application, store data in a local SQLite.NET database, and style a cross-platform Xamarin.Forms application. This tutorial is super fast. It can be done in under an hour easily. So when you're all done, this is the finished item that you wind up with is a notes application as shown in our Android emulator here. So we can click on the plus button and add a new note. Let's go ahead and put a note in. And we can save it. So now you can see we have a new note in our application, and then we can go back in and we can delete the note, and then it's all gone. So it's pretty easy to go in, create the tutorial, create your first app, and then you are all done. And there you have what the finished project looks like for this tutorial. Thanks.